Hello guys, how have you been? Let me introduce myself first. My name is Lemberg Venâncio. I work based in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, as an Omni Studio specialist. This video is the second one from this project. So if you started by here, I strongly recommend you go back to the playlist. I'll send the link on this video and start by the first video because of its project. If you start by the second one, maybe you will not understand everything. Okay? So the link from the playlist with full videos will be in the description from this video on YouTube. Then if you start by here, so go there. So let's go to the video. What you are doing now on this project? The idea for this project, as I told you in the first video, is create a simple Omni script uh, with about three steps. In the first steps, we have a type ahead to select account. On the second step, we'll have a list with type aheads that we can select a list of products based on the type ahead search. And then we will create assets based on the account that you choose on the first step and products that you choose on the second steps. Okay? So, but before you perform everything, there is some things that we need to do before it. Okay, the first thing is go to product 2, and create two record types. The first record type it will be book, and the second record type will be magazine. Okay. Also, on the product two, we need to create two fields. The first one is author, because of if we have a book, we need to create author from those books, right? And the second field, and last one, will be publication dates. This field should be date, and author should be string. I believe it with 100 characters will be enough. Okay? So you can pause this video, create those record types and those custom fields, and then go back to here. As you are here, I can understand that the record types and the fields are already created. And let's go back to the class. So um, if you need to choose products, we need to have records of them, right? I mean, I cannot sell a product if I don't create the record about the project in my org. So the first component that we create, it's a data wrapper extract. It will be, sorry, it's a data wrapper load. To see the true data mapper load because of Salesforce changed the name. Okay, so let's create a data mapper load to create our records. So here I have a model from records. I have a name, record type name, if it's book or magazine, the publication date, and the author. So what you can do here, get a model like that. Let's use AI to help us. ChatGPT can be okay. Give me more bugs with this data model. So, okay. Okay, so here we have already some data for our records. So what will you do to create records? These components will not be used directly on projects, but it will help us to create our records. Okay, so go to new. Um, it's good way to name it components with these parameters. I will start with name from projects. I call, here I have already. So Omni Studio Bookstore, that will be our project. So I have a data loader, data raptor load. I still call data raptor because of I have many data raptors here, and it be upset because of this component can insert or update. It is a load data wrapper responsible for create and update as subjects, and then we can click save. Here we go. At the first, we need to define what object we need to create. Okay, we need to create products. I don't know why this was called product 2. Maybe I didn't have a chance to meet the product 2 one. We not need to use the formulas. So let's go back to field. There is something easy here. So set here. We cannot use entire JSON, but one single object from the JSON. That's okay. And let's set the input JSON. Okay. So let's see, it's my standard JSON name, record type, publication date, and author. So here I can set a quick match. Auto match, I hit auto match, and they say just name with name. But here I can do something like that. Drag here from our input parameters, and here are the fields that exist in product 2. As we saw on the beginning of the video, we created the customer field author, okay? Also, publication dates. Here we go. And here it's something that we will talk about very soon. Record type. So record type, it will be record type ID and save. And you probably ask, but Lindbergh, on the data.json, we say that record type it's a string. And here you are talking about record type ID, how it's possible, how you should do that. So in this situation, let's use a very powerful tool from that I have to load called is lookup. What this means? It means that I pass a value from a field and get a value from another field. Okay? So what object we are talking about? Record type. So we are talking about record type. And I pass name from the record type, right? So lookup fields, I pass name. And what field I want for this record type? I want the ID. So in this lookup, I select the object that we're talking about its record type. Sorry, here it's the field. Here I don't need to, I can say that string can be, but I don't need to put nothing here. Here I choose the object, choose the field that I pass from the object. I mean, I pass record type name and get the record type ID. So as you can see here, you see the symbol. That means that the field is also lookup. And something that I want to do here, I want to say that author and name are upset, sorry, upset key. Okay, so when I mark upset key, you see this symbol here. What it means? If I have another input in the future with the same matching, both author and name, instead of create another record, I will update this one. I mean, because of I don't want to have many books with the same name from the same author, you know. But if I have um, the same name of book but different author, that's okay. I will create another record. If I have the same author with different books, okay, we create a record. But if both match author and name, then instead of create another record, I will upset the information. So it's done. So I can copy here. So let's organize by create date. Okay, as you see, you don't have nothing create today. Go to my data helper. As you can see, now I can paste the array, execute, and done. I have new records just created here. So when I go to here, now you see Peter Pan, Harry Potter, and so on. Same data that I have here. Let's do something new. So I'll pass the so I will change the name from Harry Potter book, copy all the entire um, data here, go back. I can do directly from here. It's easier. Okay, two. So going back, see that's 5 records. We will have an upset operation in 5 records, and all of them they were not created because of they receive an upset, but that one, as I change name, it creates a new record. Okay, so I delete. Oops, delete. Okay, going back to here. So it's done okay. And now you change the name of author. Five records with offset operation. Go here, the same name, but different author. You see? So let's delete. That's our data cleaned. And guys, for now, that's all. I hope you enjoy this video. And if you enjoy, if you think that's useful for you, I hope that you can share, comment, and join the channel. Okay? See you on next video.